Are you tired of those messy drawers making it harder to find what you need when you're in a hurry? This just might be the answer to solve your problems. Hi, and welcome to Just 2020, where today we're going to be folding men's, boys' shorts using Marie Kondo's Konmari method. We are going to start with the simplest ones, which are your soccer shorts. Laying them flat, smoothing them. See how this curves out? Since that is a straight line there, we're going to go with that straight line and use it to our advantage. And then 1, 2. You can still see the line detail, and it does stand up on its own. And you'll know exactly which one it is. And it's very simple. It'll fit on a shelf or in a drawer easily. A pair of swim shorts, which are a little bit more difficult, just to get them to lay flat. We're going to follow the same simple fold them in half. And this time, since they're a bit more bulky, we might just see if we can do it this way. Definitely a difference in size and height, but if you were to put them in your drawer in a row this way, or even in a row this way, it would work, or on a shelf. You could alternately go thinner all the way, and then in half to make them taller, but then not as wide. Alternately, you could fold this part in to make it a straight line, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again, making them similar in height and width. Now we have cargo shorts. And this way will also work for jean shorts. Again, we have a very similar pattern. So we could fold them in half, and then fold them in half again if you wanted to put them on a very short shelf. As you can see, these are happily being difficult. That's why Marie Kondo says to slide your hands along and help them a little bit further. Getting the seam to match up with the fold so that it will stand up on its own. And it would be if you had a very short shelf or a short drawer. Now, the alternative is to fold that corner in so that it's a straight line. Fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. If you find that is too tall, it is possible to do a small, or if it keeps coming undone, this way will help and work. We have men's, boys' dress shorts with the pleats on the front, pockets that really want to be a pain. And that's how you would put them in your drawer for regular. But you end up with a crease here. And to avoid ironing them, you can make the pleat work with you, not against you, by laying them down this way. Just like many people would iron their pants to have that, their dress pants to have that pleat. You could do that with your shorts as well. Slide your hands along. Trying to get everything to line up nicely. And you do 1, 2, and then there is your nice small bundle to put in your suitcase, in your drawer, on your shelf, or in your traveling bag. And then, as you can see, they're very easy to carry around, easy to grab out the one you want without disturbing all the others, or restock your drawer, easy to see which ones are which, don't overfill your drawer, and they won't have wrinkling.